Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to cover guys how to enable airplane mode in Lava phone. Guys, you want to enable your airplane mode settings. So how can you enable, and after enable guys, how can you use your phone setting? In this video friends, I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all, guys, subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So and first of all, we will on our phone setting to enable airplane mode. So friends, you can see this type of settings. So friends, you can see there is no any aeroplane mode settings. So how can you enable in your lava phone aeroplane mode setting? Guys, scroll it friends. Friends, network and internet setting guys, tap here. Friends, click on guys your aeroplane mode setting guys. You can see here. Friends, you want to enable right side this icon guys. You can see on your screen guys. You will have to click on this icon. Aeroplane mode will enable. As you can see this icon on your screen. Aeroplane mode icon guys. After enable guys, you cannot use guys your mobile data setting. You cannot use your calling setting guys. Guys, you can use guys your download movies, download songs, offline game, which then you can play only in your lava phone guys. And guys, you cannot use guys any online app. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video with new topic. Bye friends.